Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have an MV plugin by Mikan Hako that hides the mouse cursor. An MV plugin by Porig that encrypts assets when deploying our game. Another MV plugin by Mikan Hako that allows adding a parallax effect to events. An MZ plugin by Noon that allows setting multiple attributes for items and skills. An MZ plugin by Cursed Steven that produces a special effect when armors and weapons are used as items in battle. An MZ plugin by Unagi Otoro that allows changing the transfer transition to a quicker sword transition. An MZ plugin by Drag and Plugin In that allows the player to place tiles and change the map in-game. An MZ plugin by Noon that allows adding actors in the party that do not appear in the menu or in battles. Another MZ plugin by Noon that gradually increases the agility of an actor at the end of every turn. A pack of animated balloon emotes by Jotson John. And lastly, a tileset pack of a cartoon-style city by Dani567. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.